Hello, here is how to set up PhantomBot. Go to phantombot.me and hit login. If you don't have an account, hit create account. It's just an email and a password. Once you're in, your account page has everything. The download for Windows and your license key right underneath. Hit copy because you'll need it in a second. Run the installer. Windows will flag it. The app isn't publisher signed yet. Click more info, then run anyway. Open PhantomBot and click License on the top right. Paste the key you copied and hit Activate. Now kalshi. Open Account and Security, scroll to API Keys, create a key, make sure it is set to read and write, and save the private key. It is only shown once. Back in the bot, click API and paste both in. And that's it for the basic setup.